Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC. We are in Alexandria, Virginia, and we just finished up a large-scale concrete project. So basically this project was a remove and replace of the driveway in front of me, in addition of a circle driveway there and a second apron approved through VDOT. Now in this area he had an asphalt driveway that was existing. We did the same size and shape and just replaced it with concrete. You can see it's looking beautiful. This has been curing 2 days. We still got some curing patterns here in the concrete, but all that'll fade away and blend in another few days here. Now the main purpose of our project when we first came out here, this street right here doesn't look busy right now. It's the middle of the day, but if you come rush hour in the morning or the afternoon, cars are flying by here. There's no light there. There probably should be, and a confusing intersection, and the client has an extremely hard time pulling out of his driveway. So he basically called me to see if we could do a second driveway. Let's head over to the other side and take a look. So there's the area looking back where I was just standing with the primary driveway area. You can see the circle driveway coming around, and then here's the new apron. Now adding in a second apron is not easy through VDOT. They do require you get a new survey with a special apron drawing on it showing the details of this area. They also require what's called an SSD. It is a stop site distance survey. What that does is that shows traffic patterns, speed, how far you can see, how many hundreds of yards that way and hundreds of yards that way, and all those details to be allowed to have a second apron. Now at first they told us no, so we had to battle back and forth with VDOT, explain to them the issue here, have some meetings with them, and we were able to get this approved. Now some details on this apron specifically, you'll see it has the little tiny utility strip here, and you're only required, or you're only allowed I should say, to have a 12% grade from this area going down from the walkway to the street, and a 2% grade across the walkway here. So what we do is we depress the apron down this way, depress the apron down this way, and the whole apron sinks into the ground about I think it was 1.5 inches in this particular case to allow us to get the legal slope across the two areas. So a little bit of extra work here to get that done, but you can see it goes back into that area. Let's walk back there real quick and just get a final look at everything. All right, here's the back side of that apron. You can see beautiful broom finish. That was poured just literally an hour or two ago. This section, like I said, was poured 2 days ago, still curing. But you can see the circle driveway looks very nice. Comes up here. Now this particular walkway, we didn't do anything too fancy here. I think in the future we'll actually probably saw cut on this line here, on this control joint, and then we're going to do some stonework up there and maybe a bigger flare or platform walkway here. So that will probably be ripped out in a year or two when he calls us back to do that work. And you can see the circle driveway comes around, ample room to get a car in here, and the area looks really nice. So I hope you like what you see. Please give us a call for any sort of concrete, stonework, driveways, aprons especially. We are the top company in the area for this work, and we can get these complex projects done for you. Thanks for watching the video, and we look forward to hearing from you when you do your concrete project. Take care.